Some breaking news just into us. The March jobs report is out, and it shows the U.S. economy added 431,000 jobs last month. That's down from a very strong February, which you'll remember nearly 700,000 jobs were added. The unemployment rate in March fell to 3.6%. Let's bring in CNBC's Dom Chu and the host of the 11th Hour, Stephanie Ruhle. Jonathan Lemire and Elise Jordan still with us as well. So, Dom, break these down for us a little bit. Looks like about 90% of the jobs lost during the pandemic have returned, and that unemployment rate of 3.6% is right around, slightly higher, but right around where we were pre-pandemic. What do you see in these new numbers?
So the new numbers, you mentioned the headlines. So the 431,000 represents, I want to say by my calculations, the 12th straight month that we've seen at least 400,000 jobs kind of in the mix there overall. Revisions were important. We got a big revision from last month. That 678,000 jobs created you mentioned before, Willie, has now been bumped up to 750,000, so a strong revisions number there. Also, when it comes to the overall picture for where we are adding jobs, if you are an accentuate the positive person, look at construction, because it gained 19,000 jobs. It may not seem like a lot, but with these 19,000 jobs, construction employment in America is now back to where it was. If you are more of a glass empty, half empty kind of person, check out leisure and hospitality. But because despite that fact that it gained 112,000 jobs, still the leading sector in the U.S. economy adding work, it is still 1.5 million jobs below where it was in February of 2020 pre-pandemic. Professional business services at 102,000, retail added 49. The other numbers that you want to pay attention to, more than the headline jobs and unemployment rate, especially in this environment, guys, is going to be the labor and wages numbers, because it is adding to that inflation story that we have been dealing with for months now at this point. Average hourly earnings on a month-over-month basis gained 0.4%. What that translates into is a 5.6% gain year over year. That's roughly in line with expectations and continues to reinforce that narrative that wage gains are growing in America. Now, what this does not do, any of these numbers, is change the calculus for the Federal Reserve Bank of America, which is basically in the May meeting going to likely raise interest rates by another 50 basis points on top of what it already has done. So this is going to be the big picture. I will also add, Willie, the labor force participation rate, which a lot of folks like to look at as a measure about whether or not people are actually entering the workforce again. It actually ticked higher. 62.4% is where it was now. It was 62.3%. And the reason why that number is important is because it is now just 1 percentage point below. Labor force participation in America, just a 1 percentage point below where it was in February of 2020, pre-pandemic. So just this idea that America is pretty much back to where it was without COVID is a good sign for a lot of folks out there.
Hey, thanks so much for watching our YouTube channel. You can follow up on today's top stories and breaking news, or catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.